how to share an email from Outlook to a person, group, or channel inside of Teams. Let me show you how it works. While viewing the email in the Outlook desktop app, select Share to Teams, located in the toolbar ribbon, right there. Then choose the person, group, or channel that you want to share the email with. You can do this by either searching or selecting from a set of suggestions. Suggestions include email recipients, frequent and recent share to Teams destinations, and chats and channels you've recently visited in Teams. If you like, you can add a message to introduce your email to communicate any extra information. You can use @mentions, like with any other Teams message, to get the right people's attention. If an email has any attachments, they are automatically included when you send the email to Teams. That's nice. If you prefer not to include the attachments, you can remove them before sending to Teams. Then in Teams, a preview of the email appears as a message in the chat or channel that you sent to. To open and view full contents of the email in Teams, you can select the email preview and the message sent to the chat or channel conversation. You can also find a copy of the original email in the Files tab in that chat or channel. And that's it. For more quick tips on Microsoft products and apps, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.